Hi, and welcome back to the Stained Canvas. Today I am going to be making some grungy, watery kind of Halloween papers. And when I say watery, it's just the fact that I am adding watered down paint to my gel plate before I press my pages in. I'm doing this because I don't like my papers at the moment, and I just want to add a little bit of atmospheric kind of texture, like visual texture on it. All it is I've just literally wet my paintbrush before picking up the paint. And you'll see like my pages I'm pressing down into it are already colored and they're fine like that, but I wanted to add a little extra. Like, look at how cool this black turned out. Like, it's holy and see-through, and it's got really cool effect to it. And so I'm just gonna go in again and, do a little bit more in certain spots here and there. I'm actually gonna add some orange to like darken up the orange at the top there. But super easy technique to do. I'm actually going to show you a couple more ones that I did, including this one here. I don't know, it's just very grungy, Halloweeny, perfect, I think, for, scrapbooking, Halloween invitation type of things. Like, look at this one here. I absolutely adore how it turned out. I am just blotting the dark stuff, so, give it a little extra texture there, but for the most part, this watered down paint technique, I like it. I'm all for this technique. Here, look at, there's some more here. I tried to do it on the green. Didn't quite turn out as much as I wanted it to, but it's giving me Frankenstein vibes, so I'm okay with it. I really hope you try this technique out. It's just water down your paint a little bit, have it beat up on your gel plate, and yeah, press some paper into it. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this helps you create something for yourself, and I will see you guys on the next Stained Canvas. Bye for now.